Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the birthplace of California, the beautiful city of San Diego.
So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come.
So we have 3 days here in San Diego. We've got today and tomorrow to explore the city, and then the third day on Monday we're going to be spending the day at the San Diego Zoo. But we are at Seaport Village today, which is where we're starting, right on the marina front. We are about to jump on the Old Town Trolley tour, which we've got for 3 whole days if we wish to use it, with the Go San Diego card. So I've got my sticker on, and now let's go and jump on and have a tour of this fabulous city. So we've hopped off the trolley at Old Town. Now this is the birthplace of San Diego and the true birthplace of California, because up on that hill behind me is where the first California mission was built 250 years ago. It's now a state historic park here, and we're going to wander around because there's all sorts of museums and old buildings. Outside of the State Historic Park, there are still some fascinating things to do. This house behind me is somewhere that always fascinates me. That is the world famous Whaley House, and it is reputedly the most haunted house in America. We've just been inside. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to film in there, but I have taken plenty of photos. So here's the photos I've taken. Leave a comment down below if you see anything spooky other than my reflection. Entrance to the Whaley House is $10 if you want to go and see if you can find yourself some ghoulies. Failing that, it's got quite a rich history anyway, and if you've got the Go San Diego card like I have, entrance is included. You just need to go to the ticket office first to pick up your admission ticket. So we explored some of Old Town and the Whaley House, but now it's time for us to hop back on the Old Town Trolley. Well, after a short ride back on the Old Town Trolley, we jumped off at Seaport Village, which is where we started this morning. We've just had a stroll along the Embarcadero, sat and had a coffee, and we are now back at our hotel room to freshen up for the evening. We're going to go out and find a spot for dinner. We don't know where we're going yet. My mum fancies Chinese, so we're going to see what we can find. But I'm just going to turn you around quickly, because as you will see, the cloud has now rolled back in, which means that evening is fast approaching. So we are now ready for dinner. We've no idea where we're going. We're just going to go out and try and find somewhere. So who knows where that'll be. We're going to walk back the way we came earlier, I think. And who knows, because there's not a Chinese that close, so it probably won't be Chinese. It might be Mexican, it might be American, it might be Amerikexican. Well, we found a Cheesecake Factory. We're now well and truly stuffed, but of course we've got cheesecake. We've got it to go because we're glad that we've now got a bit of a walk back to the hotel room, and then we can eat some of it there. We've got a fridge in the hotel room, so if we don't want it all tonight, we can save some of the joys of the cheesecake for tomorrow. I've gone for the tiramisu one. I think my mum's gone for strawberry, and Elf's gone for key lime, so we've got a bit of variety going on. But yeah, about a 10-15 minute walk back to our hotel room to burn off the dinner to make room for the cheesecake. So I'll show you the cake when we get back.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for
a dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Well, we are back, and this is my tiramisu cheesecake, which has suffered a little bit on the walk home. It's bashed itself against the wall of the case, but I'm sure it's not going to taste any different, so I'm now going to tuck in. It's disgusting, I don't like it. Nah, I might have to finish it and take it back and get another bit. And that's it, the cheesecake has all gone, and that is our first day in San Diego over and done with. Not to fear though, we've got another 2 days here, and tomorrow we're planning on hitting up the USS Midway and then up to Balboa Park, utilising that hop on hop off trolley again. So if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe down below, whack my bell, but until then, remember, life's not about where you're going, it's about how you get there. See ya.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high.